Myntri ke Tnat Bording eti mandal henen kesngi ula pentikna bahkan omdan ke Jingpynlip Lait ha Meghalaya ya Mynta Shipor wat hapadeng ke Jingwan ke ayom terkong. Ula benrap bakat ba ke Jingdawa ya ke Bording ke nangkiu ke sorkar ke laile ban pinbiang yakini ke Jingdawa hadin habun.
As of now, the power scenario is in a very good position. We are not planning immediately for load shedding, but when situation requires, we'll take a call on that. Our intention is to see that the exam season also pass off without any load shedding. But I will request all our esteemed consumers that this is the season where we can take up major repair works also, because once rainy season will come, it will be difficult to work also. Then renovation work is also on to many substations, upgradation work is on, then changing of poles, conductors, these are there. So if once major substation is under repair, a large area will be affected.